Hey guys, I'm Kat and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's graduation season and some of you guys are requesting me to do this makeup look. So I come up with this semi-smoky eyes. Especially for this kind of event, you want your eyes to really pop out on your photos and on stage para makita nila yung killer smile mo sa mata, diba? If you wanna know how I did this look, let's jump right into the video. For primer, I'm going to use this Maybelline Baby Pore Eraser all over my face. Next, I'm going to use this Gerard Cosmetics Lay All Day Setting Spray. This is in green tea or ginger. To color correct my under, I'm going to use this Pop Beauty Camouflage 101. If you don't have dark circles or any flaws on your face, you may skip this part. Just going to start under my eye. I love using my ring finger because this is what most makeup artists use because it's the most lightest finger, or yes. I'm blending it using a beauty sponge. As you can see, it didn't cover up my pimple marks right here. Luckily, I'm going to use a full coverage foundation. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to use this Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. And this is in the shade Sun Beige or 310. And just going to the three palms would be good. Use my ring finger again to apply it all over my face. To blend up my foundation, I'm going to use this Rose Gold Mermaid Tail brush, or flat brush rather, and just going to So I'm going to contour my face using this LA Girl Pro Conceal. It's in the shade Espresso. And I'm using a synthetic brush to blend the contour. I'm going back to my forehead because I just saw my contouring brush. I was too lazy to find it. To brighten up my under, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade 25 or medium. So for baking, I'm going to use this Nichido File Powder in Ivory Glow. This is my Holy Grail loose powder for baking. To bake the side of my nose. For my brows, I'm going to use this LA Girl Brow Pomade. It's in the shade Dark Brown. I'm going to clean up my brows using this Snoe Beauty Concealing Mist Softly. Adding down the product towards my eyelids. This will serve as our eyeshadow base or primer. And now I'm going to use my concealer buffer brush. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Morphe X KathleenLights palette. She is one of my favorite makeup gurus or YouTuber. Yes. So first shade I'm going to use is this one in the middle. Is a light brown. This will serve as our transition shade. And I'm using this concealer buffer from Just Cosmetics. Next shade I'm going to use is purple, using this synthetic brush. So next I'm going to use this dark plum. Next, I'll be taking this black shade right here using a pencil brush. So for eyeliner, I'm going to use this Careline Craft Ink Liner. Once my eyeliner dried up, I'm going to use a Care Lash and I'm going to curl my lashes. So some of you may cry during the graduation program, so I would suggest this Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara in waterproof. Syempre, pag iiyak kayo, di ba, hahagulgul yung iba, yung gagan-ganan lang, di ba? Syempre, nasa side akong gagan para hindi halata. Anyway, I'm just going to apply this. Going back to the palette and taking these two shades right here and apply it under my eye. I'm going to use this flat synthetic brush and I'm just applying it under my eye. And going to the dark plum shade. So I'm just going to take a black shade. I'm just going to apply it right here. And I'm just blending out the black shade that I use here to smooth it out. For lashes, I'm going to use this KK lashes in the style Instaho. While I wait for my lash glue to dry a little bit, I'm just going to remove the powder on my face. So for bronzer, I'm going to use Illuminate by Ashley Tisdale. Again, as you can see, well loved. Now, can you recommend me any bronzing or contouring palette? Please help me because I'm running out of bronzer. So 15 seconds is done. I'm going to pop my lashes. For blush, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush Palette in Sugar and Spice. And I'm going to take these two shades right here for a subtle blush. I'm going to use the Stay All Day Setting Spray again. I'm just avoiding the eyes. So for highlighter, I'm going to use this Powwow Powder in Strobin Glow from Pop Beauty. And I'm just going to use this shade right here. I'm going to get a small brush and dip it into the same shades. And just apply it here on my brow bone. And I'm going to use my pinky to apply it on my inner corner or my teardrops. So for lipstick, I'm going to use L'Oreal True Color Rich. This is in the shade Maple Mocha. And this is the finished look, you guys. I just want to show you the exact dress that I wore 2 years ago on my graduation day. I got the degree course of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. So, hello dyan sa mga taking dyan ng IT courses. If you're going to recreate this look on your graduation day, please tag me on my Instagram account and don't forget to follow me on my all social media accounts. I'm going to post it on the screen and the description box below. Also, I have an ongoing giveaway on my Instagram account. It's open internationally, so anyone can join. and winner will be announced on March 17. I will put the link on the description box below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. If you have any makeup suggestion that you want to see in my next video, please comment down below and I will check it out. And congratulations batch 2019. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! Makeup tutorial that you want to see on my next. What's up my face? I'm going to use this Ashley Tisdale Illuminate palette.